Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn negative value to positive in Excel. You can change negative numbers to positive in Excel. So how it just work? I will show you. So before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with the video. So guys, here in my Excel, and I have already migrated of demo data. This you can see, this is my minus data and negative data. I want to turn it into the positive. So there is two step I'm going to show you. First step, if you want to change the negative value in same column, and second one, if you change keep the original data in one column and you want to get another positive value in another cell. You can do this. So two step I'm going to show you. First, I will do this. So first you need to select the empty cell and click -1. -1, you have to simply copy. You have to copy. Now select all negative area or cell you want to change, and just click right button of your mouse, and you can find the space special here. Just click on. If you have update Excel, then you can find the page special in the uh, same option, but there is a sub option. Okay, you can find the bottom in the sub option. So in the page special, you have to click on multiply. I just first step I copied -1, so I'm going to multiply it. Okay, and if you want to keep the borders, expect borders, just click on all expect border and just click. So you can see all negative numbers has been turned into the positive value now positive number now. Okay, so guys, that is how you can turn negative into positive. So now I'm going to show you, just go to the undo to show you the another way. So now if you want to keep your original value in the same column and want to change the negative positive one, keep the get the positive in the another column, you can do this. So guys, you can copy the turn negative numbers into positive in different column also as a. Okay, so here you have to space tap the equal one, and here just this is the indication to Excel to. I'm going to use the formula now. So this is formula you can use to turn negative to positive. Now you have to select the cell where you want to, you have to uh, cell, negative cell, and now you have to just multiply like asterisk, click the asterisk and -1 and click. So you can see the negative value turn into positive. And if you want to apply the same formula to all one, just you can copy paste the formula, control C, copy, control paste. Otherwise you can just click on cell and click on this corner, hold the this corner by clicking left, by holding the left button of mouse, and just scroll down. You can see the formula has been copied and all negative numbers has been turned into positive. That is how you can turn negative to positive in Excel. Though I hope you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you.